My dear friends, this is Dr. Paneer Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. And now today the video is going to tell you that how far this pandemic is a little more serious. This is viewed by Bill Gates and his foundations. So now I think what we are looking at is the residence building of the wealthiest person in the world, Bill Gates. And now we'll see that what will be the seriousness of the various infections in and around the world. Before that, I invite people to subscribe the channel and share your reviews and share the ideas and other videos to your friends in your social media and share your comments to improvise our presentations or bringing out suitable videos. See, Bill Gates has already shared his wealth to African countries, say about 98% of the wealth. Still, he wanted to be the person who is always meant for the society, especially the health and again the total overall development of the country. He has a foundation. This foundation has been working for several illnesses of the community, and they have spent millions of dollars in improving the lifestyle of transgender from HIV, for HIV reduction and their livelihood opportunities. Not only transgender but also the female commercial sex workers. They spend a lot of money to improvise this lifestyle from their routine, conventional, risky life. So, to what extent the vulnerability can be minimized has been invested by this foundation to see the progress. Not only that, to create environment, the water facility, sanitation, and livelihood opportunities have also been one of their mission of their foundations. The foundation has also got branches. Their network office is functioning in India to govern these programs to function very effectively. So he has been warning that with his strength, that is Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates, whose foundation has been part of the effort to develop and deliver COVID-19 vaccines, has warned that next to 4 to 6 months could be the worst of the coronavirus pandemic. So what made him to say so is that IHME, that is Institute of Health Metrics evaluation, forecasted it was 2 lakh additional deaths going to occur if you would follow the rules in terms of wearing mask and not mixing, and that is social distancing. We could avoid large percentage of those deaths. So now I think what we had seen that it has so far killed more than 29 lakhs of people in the US. So when he and other team members viewed, they did their forecast in 2015. They talked about the deaths potentially being higher than this. So this virus could be more fatal than it is. So he didn't get the worst case, but the thing is that surprised the forecasted people was that the economic impact in the US and around the world has been much greater than the forecast than they made 5 years ago. So this is how I think the foundation and his attempt focusing to safeguard the lives of people from the vulnerability and infected virus. So that's what in nutshell what he said, that is this is going to be a little more more infectious and more speed for the 4 or 6 months. In diagnostics, therapy and vaccines, they know there is a science. They don't know that how the pieces need to come together in an urgent way. So, the expertise in infectious disease, which normally only relates to the developing countries, apply to the entire world for the crisis. So, overall, the scenario is a little more critical, and along with the IHME, based on the report, the Gates Foundation invested so much of money along with this another agency is called Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. All people have been dynamically working for reduction of this COVID virus, even within 4 months, as well as it should not prolong after 6 months, for which suitable vaccines and suitable devices have been already been on the process in the lab. So that Institute of Health Matrix was of the opinion that this has been little more critical, and they also accepted that it is going to be a little more serious pandemic, since they know it takes the life of many people. So overall, this condition is very agile, even though it has been partnered with the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. This help is really required to safeguard the humanity. So now we want the world economy to be going, we want to minimize the deaths, for which almost all efforts have been made. The recent trend, so what is the recent trend today is happening is, I think the number of deaths has been increased to 2 lakhs, and so far 29 lakhs of people have lost their life, and the US need to help all the humanity, but the projection given by Bill Gates, it is 2015, along with the experts and team members, have going to be little more than what he expected, and the economy is also going to be little more challenging than he has forecasted. So now I think totally everybody is working for the strengthening to ramp up the capacity of all the vaccines. There will be additional one approved in the months ahead. They are easier to scale up the manufacturing. But the US has benefited from other countries' work care, and they should not be entirely selfish in how they go forward. So another question, he was replying that when this visibility come into place, the vaccine, because the vaccine is going to benefit almost all the people to not to be transmitting. So vaccine should be based on medical need and not wealth based. The safety device will have to continue because that will be more safer. More than the vaccine, the social distancing in a very marks, which is very affordable to people, which is very very essential to be adhered. So that's what he has been warning since the beginning. So now I think when you go to African country or developing nations, the availability of vaccine should be within the next 4 to 6 months, because we should want to see the world in peace. And after all, this epidemic has been awful in the way that it is exacerbated in inequities. It has been worse of Hispanics, worse of blacks, worse for low-income service workers, generational households, a number of things that mean that in terms of picking who gets a vaccine, we better be using equity to drive all those decisions. So at the end, this should be accessible and made available irrespective of the nation, irrespective of the economy, irrespective of the country. So this would be only the way through which the researcher and investors and social investors could work together to bring out the medicines, especially vaccine, to reduce the prevalence of infection.